Hello friends, welcome again to my YouTube channel Asma's Botany, and today we will discuss about the new topic, that is the methods of gamete formation. Okay, so in this method gametes can be formed by two methods. First is the forking method and second is the formula. So first is the forking method. Okay, by the forking method you can know the number, also you can know the number of gametes and which gametes is formed you can also know. But by the formula method you can only know the number of gametes, that how many gametes are formed. Okay, so first is the forking method. You can draw this fork like this in the dichotomous form like this. And so first of all we take the first example. In this first we take this. Suppose this is the genotype. This is the genotype. In this you can see these both are it is heterozygous and it is also heterozygous because it contains one allele that is dominant and another is recessive, so it is known as the heterozygous. So first of all you take this allele, first dominant allele of a gene and second recessive allele of one gene, then make the fork like this, then the gamete formation takes place. And remember one thing, that every time when you form gamete, in any gamete, if the cross is dihybrid, then both the characters, one allele must come in one gamete. So this gamete have one allele from this gene and another from this gene. So must remember this. And if you take this example, in which first of all see that here the two genes only are heterozygous. Okay, these two are homozygous. So these two are homozygous, B capital B capital B capital C capital C. So you write here because these are same. So then you form the fork like this. Okay, then form gametes, and so that you can know the number of gametes. And then you can use another method, that is the formula, and we can find only the number of gametes by this. That is the formula. Number of gametes is equal to 2 to the power n. Here n represents the number of genes for which the individual is heterozygous. So understand it by this example. Here this both are heterozygous, so n is 2. So formation of 4 gametes. Here only 2 genes have heterozygous. Okay, these are homozygous. So we cannot count these capital B, capital C, capital C, capital C. So here the n is equal to 2 for this and this. So 4 gametes are formed. And these 4 gametes, you can also check your answer by this. You can also understand the structure of gametes by this method, the forking method. But in short time you can use this method, that is the formula method. I hope you understood, and stay tuned for the next videos. And if you like the video, press the like button and share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Asma's Botany and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you.